Are you a small business owner and you really don't know what to look for when you're shopping around for a merchant processor? I've learned a few things the hard way that I want to share with you. The first thing is if you're using a merchant processor, which simply means you're taking credit cards, you want to make sure that company actually gives you an itemized list of all your transactions so that you can compare that with what comes through your QuickBooks or whatever accounting software you're using. You would think, gosh, they would all do that. It's like a bank. Bank's going to give you that so you can reconcile every month. They don't all do that. And that's up to you to keep track of every single individual transaction that comes through every month, which after only doing five, that's no big deal. But if you've got some recurring ones and they're all the same amount, say, it can be very confusing. So make sure that whoever you go with has the ability to give you an itemized list of everything that goes through your account. You will thank me on that one later because it is super, super confusing if they don't. One other really super important thing, especially if you have subscriptions or recurring things within your business, you want to make sure that you have a processor that allows the customer to update their credit card information. You should never have to take a credit card over the phone, write it down, and then type it into your virtual terminal. That should never happen. That in itself makes you not PCI compliant, which in merchant processing is a huge no. And it puts you at risk for lots of different things, including fraud. So you don't want to go there. The client needs to be able to add in a new card if they want, or change the expiration date on their card, any of that kind of thing without you being involved. They're not all like that. You would think in this day and age, especially with all the fraud going on, that everyone would be like that, but you'll be shocked. There's a lot that are not. I have switched this year for these two reasons, amongst other reasons. But those are two super important things to look for when you are shopping around for a merchant processor for your business.